Hey everyone, that is Pudong. The bund is over there. I've been there many times, so I'm not going to make a video there. But today I'm on another famous road called Beijing Road. Maybe it's your first time here. That is a French concession area, French style buildings, and you can see them. It's under renovation. And right now, on my right side, you can see the Western style building too. Yeah, this is absolutely new here. I mean, for videos. And that is a restaurant. Wow. Looks pretty swanky. Wow, it's a nice restaurant. Wow, the guys are crazy, the driver is. The buildings are pretty. Yeah, in China, they do this a lot. Everyone is raged if one car doesn't move. Oh, the buildings are... Look at that old building. It's quite old. It's very special. Actually, I was here long time ago. Yeah, this is very... Yeah, some guys have told me, can you make a video of the ancient buildings in Shanghai? This area is absolutely the place you have been looking for. Look at the buildings. Look at that side. Wow. Very special. Yeah, this building used to be a train ticket selling building. But right now, in China, we don't buy the tickets in the station anymore. I mean, mostly we buy it online. Okay? Everything is done online. So this building has been transformed completely. Yeah. It's great. Look. Yeah, I'm very lucky to come here today. Actually, I'm on the way to see one of my clients. His hotel is around here. That is why I come back here. Yeah. Otherwise, I wouldn't come back here. Look at those buildings. Wow. Yeah, just follow me. I don't think even you've been to Shanghai, I don't think you have been to this place, this road. By the way, I can see it again. It's a Beijing Road. Look at that tower. Yeah, I think this kind of Western buildings must be preserved. It's great to be preserved. Yeah, let's go. It's green. Wow. Yeah, that is a hospital. Beautiful. And the buildings are pretty strong, very well built. Beijing Road, Beijing East Road, East Beijing Road. Look at the buildings. Yeah, it's great to keep them. Yeah, I just can enjoy Very few people. Yeah, there's a lot of people on Nanjing Road, but very few people on this road called Beijing Road. Since the Nanjing Road is much more famous than this road, so most of the people just walk on Nanjing Road. They don't come here. Yeah, pretty special, pretty nice. Wow. Yeah, every city has its own characteristics and features. I don't think they're exactly, same cities in the world. So every city is special. Shanghai has its own attractions. Yeah, it's great. It's nice to take a walk. Yeah, most of the buildings are pretty ancient here. Actually, the Suzhou Creek is next to this road, I think. Suzhou Creek. It's a long river. Wow. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you guys later, everyone. Bye bye.